We're going to start with a slip knot and insert our hook, and we're going to chain 22, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to skip the next 3 chains from the hook. So this is the first, second and third, and then working into the 4th stitch we are going to do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the 4th stitch, chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So we are going to be working double crochets all the way to the end. Now after you're done, we are going to do row 2. So for row 2 we're going to chain 3. Those 3 chains counts as our first double crochet. So turn, and we are going to skip the next stitch, which is this one, and into the following stitch, which is right there, we are going to do 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 1. Now back into the same stitch we're going to do a double crochet again. Right, now this makes your first V stitch. Now skip the next stitch into the following stitch. We are going to work another V stitch. So yarn over, insert into that, we skip this stitch into the next stitch, we do a double crochet, chain 1 and back into the same stitch with another double crochet. Now we are going to skip the next stitch into the next stitch, do a double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same stitch. So that's what we're going to repeat all the way to the end. Now we're going to chain 3 and turn our work, and now we are going to work into the V stitches. So into the chain 1 here of the V stitches. So we're going to work a V stitch here, chain 1, and then do a V stitch into that V chain 1 space. Now we're going to skip this part of the first V stitch and this part, and working into the next chain 1 space of this V stitch, we do a V stitch. So from here we're just going to repeat row 2 till you have your desired length. So when you reach the end of row 3, we're just going to place a single double crochet into the top of those chains of the previous row. Yeah, and then we do a double crochet so that we have a straight clean edge, and then we are just going to chain 4 again. 1 2 3 4, 10 our work, and repeat. Place a single V-stitch into the V-stitch into this. So in other words, you're placing a V-stitch on into the chain 1 spaces. So from here we're just going to repeat till we have our desired length. So that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet a V-stitch. It's beginner friendly. You can use it for a cardigan, you can use it for a blanket, you can use it for a lot of stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you've learned 1 or 2, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.